Avoiding lippage during ceramic tile installation starts with preparation, precise layout, and consistent leveling techniques. Begin by confirming your substrate is flat to within 1/4 inch over 10 feet and correct any deviations with a self-leveling compound or feather edge patching. Use a high-quality mortar mixed to the manufacturer recommended consistency and apply it with a notch trowel size to the tile back profile so you get full coverage and solid support. Set tiles using a consistent pattern working out from a straight reference line and tap each tile with a rubber mallet on a wood or neoprene block to fully bed it into the mortar while checking adjacent tile heights. Employ a tile leveling system across every joint to force uniform grout joint height and hold tiles while the mortar cures, removing clips or wedges once the mortar has reached firm set as specified by the mortar instructions. Regularly verify flatness with a 2-meter straight edge or a long Mason-S rule across multiple directions to catch small variances before they compound. Keep spacers aligned and maintain consistent grout joint width because varying joint widths will make small height differences more visible. For large format tiles 4 feet and larger, use back buttering to eliminate hollow spots under the tile which often cause lippage, and consider using larger trowel notches and a pressure setting technique to ensure full bedding. Common mistakes include skipping substrate flatness checks, which creates inherent high or low spots that show up as lippage. Correct this by measuring with a straight edge, mark deviations, and level the floor before tiling. Another frequent issue is insufficient mortar coverage from using too small a trowel or not back buttering, which leads to hollow spots. Eliminate that by matching trowel size to tile dimensions and back buttering large tiles to achieve 100% coverage. A third problem is inconsistent setting, pressure, and hurried placement, causing tiles to sit at different heights. Fix this by tapping tiles into place with a consistent method, using a rubber mallet and block, and locking heights with a leveling system while checking often with a straight edge. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like tile installation and helps people find local professionals for estimates and project discussions. We provide a discussion community where installers and homeowners share techniques, product recommendations, and on-the-job lessons so we all get better outcomes.